Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today's video I will show you the beautiful room decoration decoration of the room. So let's start with the video. You can see this video, you can see the table and the bed. You can see this one also beautiful. You can see the bed and the all way looking very beautiful, and the white color theme, the white color curtain, everything very beautiful. Looking very great also. And you can see this one also very beautiful place. You can see very great and very good. You can see this one, the up floor. You can see the black color, and the lamp you can see white color, very beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. The up cupboards you can see, and all very beautiful place they made, looking very beautiful also. And you can see this one also very beautiful. Because it's also very nice, and you can see the upkeep and books. You can, it's also very nice. How they made the room, it's very different. Yeah, brothers and sisters, very different room they made. How they made it, this one. So you can see this one also, the beautiful bedroom, and the front wall. You can see looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also very nice. The bed pink color, very beautiful looking. And you can see this one also, the up lamp. You can see the side lights. You can see, and the bed you can see, and the routine. So everything very beautiful looking, very beautiful. And you can see this one also, it is closing like a door, like a box. It is closing like a box. It is looking very beautiful also. And you can see this one also very nice. You can see the up from picture, from up you can see looking very beautiful. The decoration and design, very beautiful design, and you can see very nice also. You can see this one also very nice and grateful. You can see the decoration and the color. You can see looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also very nice. The slide you can come and do from up. You can do slide. It is looking very beautiful, brothers. Very beautiful. And so guys, if you like this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Love you all.